welcome back to Lady's channel.
Wait, end it now. Oh my god.
It's on 40 in my right car. Business strange, yeah, I like all this.
So, what's up guys? So, for today's vlog, may gagawin tayo ngayon at pupunta ako sa mall kasi mag-hangout kami nila Kailin. Alam niyo ba yun? Mag-hangout kami nila Kailin and yun. Sobrang init na kasi ngayon at saka magsa-summer na kasi spring break namin ngayon. So, 1 week walang pasok.
Walang pasok.
Tsaka yun nga, dapat talaga magkikita kami nila Fiona. Dapat talaga magkikita kami nila Fiona kaso hindi natuloy kasi nga bawal si Fiona. Tsaka nagbabantay siya ng bata. So ayun guys, hindi pala kita. Kita na lang tayo mamaya. Hi guys! Hi guys! So ngayon, kasama ko na si Kailin at andito kami sa boat house. Wait, baka maka-copyright ako. Basta ayun, daming branded dito.
Vans, pila. Alam nyo, mayaman na si Lady.
At saka
Kaya
guys,
bibili niya lahat to.
At saka guys, mag-ano na pala tayo no, magwa 1K na tayo. Road to 1K na tayo. Mag-subscribe lang kayo sa aking channel.
Mas ako pa excited para sa kanya.
At masaya to. Bibili niya ng Kailin kasi mayaman siya.
Hindi, bali wala nga akong pera eh.
Kapag sumama tayo, magpapag-giveaway ako ng kahit ano bang gusto niyo, comment niyo lang.
Ano, gusto niya ng
Kita yung double
cellphone?
chain ko na ako visit.
iPhone?
Ang ganda dun Wait lang, tignan yung outfit namin. Ayan na. Ganda. Ako naka-ano lang ako, di ba? Parang tang.
Few minutes later.
So guys, kasama na namin si Alexa. Galit yan kanina. Galit yan eh.
Galing niya.
And papunta kami sa bahay ni Kailin kasi doon kami manonood ng Netflix and pero wala lang, hangout lang kasi walang magawa sa spring break eh. Wala rin naman kami pupuntahan.
Stops for you here. You have to run.
Hindi nga.
Even if you stand there, no one will stand. So like, hey! Because I stood there for like 5 minutes, so I just ran.
Hi guys, so ayun, kakatapos ko lang mabaliw at kasi, alam niyo ba yung feeling na comeback na ng Blackpink next week, April 5, naglalabas sila ng mga poster, teaser, ganun. So, ang inaantay ko kay Rosé kasi nga, 'di ba? Siya yung last na lalabas kasi ang nauna si Lisa. So, ito si Lisa. And si Lisa. Tapos ito si Jennie. Blonde Jennie. Kita niyo ba yun? And then, ito si Jisoo. Jisoo, red hair. And then, oh my god, ito si Rosé. Ito si Rosé. Kita nyo ba yan? Kita nyo ba yan? Oh my god. Like, bro. Tingnan mo ito, nagkikila ito. Bro. And ayun nga, nandito kami kay Kailin. Hi guys, so ayun, papunta kami sa... Saan tayo punta? Marble Slab. Oh my god. Marbles what?
Marble slab.
And yun, di ako naka-jacket kasi ang ganda outfit ko, man.
Hindi ko gusto mag-brown, so jacket ako.
Saan ba?
Look at all the snow.
Look at my outfit.
Look at the snow.
Dan ba to? Montage.
Dali.
So guys, naglalakad-lakad lang kami ngayon. Lakad-lakad. Where? Oh my god. Ay, hindi yan.
There's no leash.
Ito.
I'm scared.
Saan tayo punta? Papunta ba doon?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Walang other ways. Just over there. Tara.
Hi guys, so andito na kami sa Marble Slab and delivery daw kami ni Kailin. Daming pera. Makikita nyo ba yun? Lip tint yan. Di naman halata eh, oh.
She's sunburned.
Ang puti ko na. Diba, nung nakita nyo ako dito nung first day, ang itim ko.
Yung ice cream.
Puro sila ice cream dyan.
And let's take a look at our fridge.
Wow! So guys, naka-order na po kami ng pizza, ng ice cream.
Mamaya pa yun.
Ito akin, no? Mas bet ko kapag ganito.
Oo nga, mas like, tastes better, right?
Di ba?
Anong it tastes better?
Parehas lang yun. Hoy, saan ka pupunta? Bala ka dyan.
Imagine if you hit your head.
Alexa! Check ko, chicken. Din, sorry. Okay. Ano? Nilalamig na ako. Hawakan mo, nilalamig. Nagpo-frostbite ako.
Right? It hurts, right?
Kakahawa ko yan dyan. Nagpo-frostbite ako, guys. Ayan, papunta kami dito. Tignan, iba-vlog ko kung gaano kami kahirap na hirap dito. Si Lady lang po. Woo! Kasi magsispring na guys, kaya nagtutunaw na yung mga ice. See you later. Alam mo, doon na nga lang ako dadaan.
The snow. Then, how you got...
Like, here.
Are you
dito.
gonna pass the water?
Tignan mo nga kay Lynn kung malambot.
Alin? Ako pa talaga.
Alam na! Don't iwan me!
5 hours later.
So guys, naglalakad kami. Papunta kami sa bahay ni Alexa kasi overnight kami.
10 o'clock p.m. in the night, and we're at the mall.
Yeah.
Nasa mall kami po.
Ayun na. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng taxi kasi mag-taxi kami. And di namin kaya maglakad.
Ang basa ng paa ko po.
Paano? Nalunod yung paa niya doon. Oh my God.
May tao pupunta dito. Natatakot ako.
Tara na, dito tayo. So, ay, nice. Oh my God, like, oh my God. It's so...
Yung taxi? Ano ba? She's trying to pretend we're...
Hindi. May girl na yun.
Nice sila. Kung may girlfriend ka, mabait ka. Yun, walang girlfriend na tatakot.
You know. Like, you know. Like, you know. You know.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, so ayun, hindi ko na na-vlog yung pagpunta namin kay Alexa, and yun nga, napaslip.
Ang hirap.
Yeah. Napaslip over kami dito sa bahay ni Kailin. Like biglaan. Dahil Blackpink. Blackpink is the revolution.
Revolution face. I was laughing so hard because we were walking on the way back, and there's ice like that. I thought it was snow. I stepped in it, and my shoe got all wet. Her shoe got all wet.
Yeah.
Sorry, my socks got wet.
So guys,
Oh my god.
ito yung pintuan nila kay Lynn. Andun.
True. Ang dilim.
Pintuan dun yung
May motor
bahay
dyan.
ng... Tapos dito sa gilid yung ano. Tapos ayun yung kitchen. Ito yung
Yung dining room.
dining room. May...
Ang laki ng bahay nila.
Tapos ayan yung living room.
Yung bahay nila, Alex, ano? Mas malaki pa din. Bye! Bye!
Stop it. Bye!
Yeah, like Mr. Better English. She's like listening or something.
Blackpink in your area. Woo, woo, woo.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, naman si Lady. Isang dalagang Pilipino.
See how cute, diba? Wait, pretend if it's like that.
Nag-curl sila ng hair niya.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Kung makita yan. Gusto kong makita. Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang...
Sa social media, dapat dalawang buwan ng pagkalayong natin. Yakap at aligay bago ihagangin.
Alinlangan pa. Kasama naman talaga na.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ladies Channel.
Wait, end it now. Oh my god.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, ang gagawin namin yan ay pupunta kami sa library. Kasi nga, wala kami magawangan at wala rin kami mapunta. And then, ayun. Yun na, pupunta kami doon and papunta na kami doon.
See you in the library. She just upgraded.
A few minutes later.
Guys, we're here now in art gallery.
In the library.
Yeah. And we're gonna take a photo.
Ooh, my goodness.
It's gonna be in the
So guys, andito kami sa art gallery at nagpipictorial lang kami. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang linaw, di ba? Wala akong lighting yan. Ang lighting ko lang dito yung araw. So ayun, may ginagawa sila dito. And hindi naman masyadong boring. Ayun, nagsusulat sila para sa crush nila. And si Alexa, boring yun. Tapos mamaya pupunta kami sa library. May gagawin kami dun. And mamaya pupunta kami sa Wendy's. And yun.
We're in the library. It's just a gallery.
Yeah.
This is how big the elevator is. Check out.
Oh my god.
So it's really big.
It looks nice. Oh, it looks like a neon. Okay, show that. It's so pretty.
Now we're on the main floor.
This is the room.
This is so like, it feels like I'm gonna have a seizure here. Is this my vlog now? So there's a bunch of TVs. And yeah, we'll see you in Wendy's. Bye!
Yo, what is this? Alexa!
What?
No, go this way, go this way.
What? I don't know. Oh shoot, it's really muddy. That's what they're talking about. Okay, so it's not that far. We're just gonna get fries.
Was Gucci was poppin'? It's me back it again. I got it again.
You see
So-
Fiona?
Yeah.
No,
Wait,
no,
what did you say? What were you talking about?
So we went to Wendy's. I said we're gonna vlog there once we get there, but we didn't.
Shout out kay Kim Raleigh. Shout out kay Miga. Shout out kay LJ. Shout out kay Isa. Shout out kay Tita Joy Joy. Shout out kay Christiana. Shout out to Melissa. Shout out to Angelica Monjes. Shout out to I am Jasmine Joyce. Shout out to Julian Mari. Shout out to David _Quesado. Shout out to Kailin. And yun lang yung mga nagpapa-shoutout sa aking vlog ngayon. And nagkaroon tayo ng problema kanina dahil na-delete ko yung video. And nag-edit ako ulit. And yun guys, that's it for today's vlog guys. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. And comment, like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And hit the bell button to notify you every time I post new video on my channel. And that's it for today guys. Bye!